despite the company reporting a revenue drop of 4%. In fact, it's been the trend with many of these engineering and research and development companies. We call it ER&D companies, where they do a lot of services for the auto, the aerospace industries, auto predominantly. And the numbers so far that we've got are from a Tata Elxsi, a Tata Tech, and an LTTS. So this is the performance of the stock price after they reported their Q1 numbers. Tata Elxsi went up, so did Tata Tech. Tata Tech numbers were on Monday, and LTTS is now up close to about 3% post the numbers. Now, the stock price is higher, but Q1 numbers were actually fairly disappointing. All three companies reported a revenue drop between 4 to 4.5%. So why is the stock moving up? One view could be that things will improve in the future. In fact, look at the commentary from all three of them, and they are pointing to better times as the year progresses. Tata Elxsi says, we expect steady improvement in the bottom line and margins through the year. Two of their largest businesses, transportation and communication, will return to growth in Q2 and beyond. So they're guiding for an improvement from the coming quarter. Tata Tech, we quizzed the management. There was a CNBC-TV18 boardroom. Analysts were projecting that this company will see a revenue drop in FY26. The company said, we're very confident we will not degrow. Revenues will not decline in FY26. We're confident that Q2 will be better than Q1. H2 will be stronger. And they're also confident that margins will improve from the current 16.1% to 18% by Q4. So basically, they too are pointing that things will improve. And finally, LTTS. As I said, revenues for this company were down 4%, but the company still holds on to its full-year revenue forecast of double-digit revenue growth. This is including the acquisition of IntelliSwift, but the company is confident that they will achieve it, and they're also talking about margins improving from here on. So in a nutshell, basically there are 3 points. One, stocks are moving up despite a weak Q1. In Q1, revenues for all three companies missed the mark. They were weak, but perhaps valuations, after the kind of correction that we've seen time-wise and stock-wise, price-wise, maybe valuations are closer to the bottom, and companies are talking about an improvement in the coming quarters.
All right, take that point. Thank you so much for explaining those moves. You've been talking about the ER&D companies. So far, the stocks didn't do well, but maybe the outlook is improving, is what Rima just explained to us as well. We'll slip into a break. Up next, we'll discuss what's buzzing in the commodity space with Manisha Gupta. Stay tuned.